Straumann SIRIOS portfolio. How to use the Scan Compare app. Easily access powerful applications like the Scan Compare app directly from the Straumann Axis platform. But everything starts in your SIRIOS software when scanning your patient. Once the scan is complete, make sure the cloud symbol is visible. This will confirm that the case is in Straumann Axis, thanks to the new auto upload feature. From there, you just need to go to your Straumann Axis platform and search for the patient. Once in the patient profile, click on the 3 dots and click Scan Compare. To perform a comparison, you must have at least 2 sets of scans from the same patient. Select the scans that you want to compare. The first set of scans can be from the patient's initial appointment. The second set of scans can be from a later appointment. And start comparing. The Scan Compare app allows you to view 2 intraoral scans side by side, making it easy to visualize progress, detect differences, and support patient discussions effortlessly. Also, you can see them over time by timeline and see the before and after, or the progress of your patient with that. With the Scan Compare application, you can enhance patient engagement, patient education, and also increase treatment conversion.